Hi everyone, my name is Kara Hall. Today's date is December 10th, 2017. Today I'm going to be doing my week 6 video of the digestive system. The instructions for this assignment were to pretend like we were eating a cheeseburger and describe the digestive process as if we were eating a cheeseburger and digesting one. So we all know that digesting begins in the mouth. We take a bite of our food, we chew it up, we swallow it, but there are more things that happen. So basically, we take a bite of the food, our teeth chew and grind the food up. The chewing in our mouth triggers our salivary glands to produce saliva. When that happens, there are enzymes in the saliva that break down the food that allows it to become smaller and smaller so that we can swallow it and digest it. Once it's small enough to swallow, it goes through the pharynx, down the esophagus, into the stomach, and that's where everything else happens. So once the cheeseburger enters the stomach, there are chemicals that break down the food and turn it into amino acids. This is known as chemical digestion. Inside the stomach is a chemical called hydrochloric acid. It breaks down the food into more of a liquid form so that it can digest and come out and do what it has to do. The small intestines is where the nutrients are absorbed. So once it goes down the esophagus, into the stomach, into the small intestines, that's where all of that happens. All the nutrients from the food is absorbed. Some goes into our bloodstream, some stays stored. And then basically after it goes to the small intestine, it will go to the large intestine. Once it's in the large intestine, there's nothing else that needs to be absorbed after it's in the large intestine. After all of that happens, it's stored into the rectum until it's ready to be expelled from the body. I did print out a visual thing for me because I just learned better when I can see something that I have to memorize. So basically, everything happens up here when we start eating the cheeseburger. All of the salivary glands break down the food. It goes to the pharynx, down the esophagus, into the stomach. That's where all the chemical digestion happens, all the enzymes and all the acids break down the food. It goes to the small intestine, and then it goes to the large intestine, which is over here. It's not on this for some reason. And then it goes to the rectum, and then it's expelled from the body. Thank you.